Hi, it's Teresa here. I am working on this journal. I just want to add little embellishments here and there throughout. I have some that I'm working with that I pulled out, and I wanted to see if I can find like some fabric clusters that would probably work. So that is what we are working on. Oh, that might be fun, although it kind of needs something right there, doesn't it? That needs something there too. Let's see. Oh, look, here we go. This will work. Let's use that. And we have some finished clusters to look through. Oh, that would be fun. I think we're probably going to go with more finished clusters than the fabric ones. Okay. Okay, let's see how these ones go. Okay, so this is a one signature, so I'm going to kind of separate them into two sides. And let's start with our stickers I picked out. There's no rhyme or reason with these stickers. There we go. I just know I have a lot of empty pages in here that I think would be really good for. I'm gonna wait and see about those. Okay. Let's see how these will look in here. Oh, look. No, I think a little cluster right here. And then I can put a little, if we do it on two sides, sorry. Right here. Then I can add that right there. I like that. Okay, let's add a sticker onto this one. And there is no rhyme or reason on where I'm putting stickers, what I'm just kind of doing it. Like that. This definitely is one simple way. If you want to have more writing space, it's definitely an easier way to do it, just to add a little bit here or there. Like a sticker. Come on, there we go. Let's go right over here. And quite a few open pages over here before we hit our, where's our center? Before we hit our center. So let's put one right here. If I could, you know, stickers sometimes are a pain to get off. Here we go. And this. Here we go. So we have two more for this side. Have that there. This is the center. You know, we can put a little sticker right here if we wanted to. Yeah, and then we'll go a little further back that way and put that cluster in. There we go. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, there we go. There, yeah, let's add this right here. That's cute. There we go. And let's move on to the second half. And that will work. Okay. Here we go. So I'm not as talkative, and I apologize for that. It is very much the more I talk, the more I cough, and I really don't want to cough while we're crafting, you know? Because that's how it works. Let's go right here. And I think, let me look through the rest of this. We have this open. Oh look, we could totally add this right here and make that a little spot to there we go. And I actually do have more little tags of this that I can put on there. Oh, look at that. That's not good. That's coming out. Well, let's add this big sticker and put it right down there. Okay. Here we go. And we have 2 more. Well, let's put this one right up here. And then put that one. We'll put that one down below. Let's go right there. All right, we are done. Thank you for joining me. I hope at the very least this has taught you that you can use the simplest things like stickers to finish off a journal. Really doesn't take a whole lot to add a little bit to a journal. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.